Stop. He said it could. It probably could. But Georgia doesn't. Let's get boards. We're going to start with the lighter side of lake effect snow. This is 3-year-old Johnny. He's barely 4 feet tall, not even really, but those snow drifts are. In the area southeast of Buffalo, we picked up more than 40 inches of blowing lake effect snow. Do you remember that? That's why it seems like it snowed more when we were that age, because the drifts are way over your head. Here's what's going on in Chicagoland. We're talking about
Easy pants.
Snow. There's also some snow advisories, weather advisories out for Chicago. That starts for tomorrow. Minneapolis gets their snow today. They already have some snow in the area. And here's what we're talking about picking up. In the area shaded in pink there,
come get dressed.
back toward Fargo, south of Minneapolis, Sioux Falls to Fargo, 6-2.
Come get dressed, Pansy.
Pansy, oh, give me that cup.
Let me put your sockies on.
Give me your cup.
And also, if you're looking for the nice mild weather in the southwest, that's the weather around the nation.
Hey,
here's what you can expect.
put your shirt on.
Good morning, I'm Brian Shields. We're going to see another, of course, a cool start and cool for the next couple hours, but it's going to be a pretty nice day. We'll see lots of sunshine with us and temperatures running in the 60s today, 65 in Orlando and St. Cloud. Have a good morning.
And all the weather was brought to you by Kate Rivers. Robin? All right, Sam.
Good girl, Pants.